Good morning, how you doing? It's beautiful winter in Poland right now. It's about 8 degrees. I mean, last night was 8 degrees. Right now it's, I don't know, I didn't drive yet, so I don't have a temperature. I should check on the iPhone how cold is it, but around 2-3 degrees feels like this one. And since I didn't make so many videos in recent weeks, actually months, since 1 year technically, I will run the small series, 30 days videos. Every single day for 30 days there will be video. Oh, some nice Merc. And there will be 30 different videos about the Poland, because I just realized many of you guys don't know much about Poland, unfortunately or fortunately. Not all of you, but many of you guys. So there will be 30 different questions, 30 different videos divided by 6 different sections, 5 questions for each section, starting from tomorrow, every single day, like old days. Hope so you will enjoy. Just quick introduction today. I just gonna enjoy my morning walk. Unfortunately it's a little bit too cold for me to walk with you today.